So two more quick e-commerce business examples we have here. Business part 4, correcting grammar to product review. Sometimes if you're dealing with online products, you have a lot of reviews that you get, and maybe the grammar's not very good, or hey, maybe you're writing your own email and maybe you want to, perfect that grammar a little bit. So this technique you can put in Chat GPT and say, hey, rewrite this better, and you can try this out on your own. Just type something with not that great of grammar, or say, hey, make it more visual, make it longer. So I've been doing this to correct grammar and stuff like that. Great for emails as well. There are plugins that are coming out already. Chat GPT Writer. If you go to Google Chrome Store and you search for this, there are some, intelligent tools that connect to Chat GPT and can kind of read the context of the conversation and respond really quickly. So maybe you're on the fly, you don't want to write these really long emails and someone's asking for coffee or whatever, and you say, hey, I'm busy this week, but you have to write this email. If you're getting 1,000 emails a day, that's a lot of work to do. So we can start to paste it in and say, hey, I want this response to this. Keep it formal or keep it informal because you know the person better or whatever. So again, save time, leverage, use these tools, especially for that. So you can check out that tool if you Google it, if this is a problem that you have, or you can just paste in someone's email as they come and test it out, or correct your own writing. So just again, to reiterate, the main mistake that people make often is kind of comparing and saying that these are the same. Google and Chat are the same. It's a search engine. It's not. It's about iteration, adding follow-up messages, and having those different types of searches, not just search, but creative versus just search result, for example. So results are stored in ChatGPT's memory. You can actually have a conversation with it as well. So if you want to have like a conversation, long form, some industries that this might affect could be even, psychology or those type of industries where people are socializing with humans or having conversations with humans. It can have those type of conversations as well. So as soon as we can train these models to be a little bit more specific on customized training, which I think will happen this year, we'll see things like call centers being completely automated and stuff like that. So that is coming. It's very, very, very soon. So again, if you don't like the response though, that's giving you, tell it to make it more creative, more visual, more formal, make it shorter, give more detailed answers, remove the word, etc. So that's again, don't forget that, I'm not a search, I'm an assistant. I'll start this slide with a quote here. The only true wisdom is in knowing you know nothing. And so that's Socrates. But this actual lecture is about where to find information. Where are we going to find to keep up with these trends that are happening? And the answer is probably not where you would expect. Maybe some people already expect it, but this is the secret right here. It's Twitter. Twitter has so many professionals that are working in AI, and you can find their updates really, really easily, especially around Chat GPT. So if you don't have any ideas on how to use this creatively, go on Twitter, type in Chat GPT in the search, and you can go here, and we can go to latest, and we can start to just see what people are doing. Some people have examples, on very interesting results that they've been testing here. So you can see here, it looks like someone's doing some kind of tables and stuff like that. People are doing different things. Here's make a Roblox game that is a melee fight, and he has a bunch of different game ideas. Different examples here. So go to Twitter, type in ChatGPT, type in AI, machine learning, find these keywords, follow the people who are actually, top results are actually quite good sometimes versus latest. You can look at top results and find the experts, follow them. It's a great way to see the experimental stuff. And yeah, you're gonna be able to do that. You can also follow the creator of ChatGPT. You can follow OpenAI, the company. You can follow the creator of Stable Diffusion 2, because those creators, even though they are not necessarily doing ChatGPT, Stable Diffusion is an AI model that does images, but that person, if you go follow him, the founder, he retweets a lot of things relevant to the industry and how things are changing. So even though he's not directly related to the project, those people retweet the relevant information. So that's where you want to find your information, and you're going to actually be up to date way quicker than hearing about it from a friend or a website or Reddit or whatever it is that you're absorbing your media through. This is a more effective way to do that.